Everyone, we are back, and my dolls are pretty excited, aren't you guys? Yeah, we're really excited. Definitely. So let's see what we got so far. I'm gonna read you off their names because I found their name cards. And this one is Little Prim. So this is Little Prim. We also have City Slicker. And that's this one here. I'm hoping I'm getting their outfits right. And we've got Proper. And we've got Yuppie Puppy. And we've got Wolftown. Yep, so that's what we got so far. And we've also gotten a few clothing pieces that don't seem to go to anybody yet. So now with these dolls, I'm not always sure which shoes go with each one. So I may have gotten something wrong, which I'm okay with for now. Because the point of these is to mix and match. So now we are going to move on to our big play set again and find box number 23, which is right here. And surprise number 24 is right underneath, but we're going to start with this one. So here's a bag. And we've got a pair of sunglasses. And here's another bag. And we've got a shirt, and it looks like I made a mistake, and this shirt belongs to him. So I'm going to switch that out real quick. There we go. Now, let's get our next blind bag out. It was right underneath the other one. So where did it go? We literally just had it, didn't we? Ah, there it is. No, that's a 35, isn't it? Am I missing something? Yeah, these are all getting mixed up. We're on 24. But I can't seem to find where 24 was. I'm getting very confused by all this. Well, we've got a bottle here. I may have just messed it up. Or I may be missing something. And here's a bottle. Here we've got, and now I'm gonna open this one up because I'm all mixed up. I'm so sorry, you guys. Here's another blind bag. I'm opening 35 and 36, which I wasn't supposed to do yet, but I got confused, so now we're gonna backtrack again and do 25. If I can find it. There we go. God, they're all getting stuck together. And we've got another blind bag. And we've got a pair of pants. Now we need to get 26, wherever that one is. Where is 26? No, it's not below. Ah, there we are. 26. And 27 is below. Now, I did open 35 and 36 by mistake. I'm going to try to stay as in order as possible. We've got a card, but we're not going to look at that yet. And here's our bag. And here he is. So, here's our next bag. And we got some shoes. $28. Here it is, 28. And we've got another shirt. Now we got 29 underneath. There we go. Got a little belt. Now, we need to find number 30. Ah, here we go. Number 30. Another card. We're not going to look at that yet. Let's open up the bag. And we've got another doll. So far we've gotten 4 babies, 2 pets, and a little. So we are getting there. Now, I should be on box number 31. If we can find box number 31. Okay, got box number 31. I pulled it up, and these were inside. So I'm going to open this one up. And we've gotten our second little. Okay. Now I should probably go over the names of the new ones that we got actually. So we've got Downtown Doll. That's her. And we've got Preppy, which is this one here. Don't have their outfits on them yet, but we'll get there. And we've got Little Downtown Doll, which is this one. So we've done pretty good so far. Gotten over half of them. And I haven't noticed anything missing yet, but it's very confusing, so we'll have to check the contents later. Now we should have box number 32 as our next box. And here is our bag. And we've got the shoes. We've got box number 33 right here. Got the card for that one. We're going to open up the blind bag first, and then I'll introduce the dolls, guys. Here is our first cat. So we've got our first kitty, and this one is Uptown Meow. Okay. And that was in box number 33, so we've got to do 34 now. Let's see what we got in here. And this looks like it's just a checklist, maybe? Or a tattoo? Not so sure. There wasn't anything really much in there except a little card. Well, that was disappointing. So we've already done 35 and 36. So now we need to do 37. And we will try to get back in perfect order again. So we've got these little shoes in box number 37. Now, we need to find box number 38. 38 and 39 is below. And we've got glasses in this one. And let's see what we got in this one. And we've got another pair of shoes. Okay, now we need to find box number 40. Let's see, box number 40 is our next box. Which is right here. And we've got another caricature. So let's open this up and see who we got in here. And we've got a bunny. And the bunny is called Downtown Hop. Okay, now we gotta do box number 41. Which is this one right here, which I just got out of there. And we've got a red key. And our next box should be box number 42. We've got a blind bag in there. And we've got another pair of pants. And now we got box number 43, and this will probably be another character. Let's see, is there a card? Yes, there is, but we will look at that in a moment once we get them open. Or her. Could be a boy or a girl. See what we get. And we've got another boy. Cute. Okay. And he is City Boy. Okay. Now, we need to do box number 44 as our next box. So let's do that. And it's a little diaper. Now for box number 45, which is this one, and 46 is underneath. But let's do this one first. Try to keep it as much in order as possible. Let's open it up. Alright, we got this thing that says Pop-Up Shop. It's a little magazine. And you open it up, it says Downtown BB, Downtown Fierce O'Clock, and Uptown Girl, Grand Opening, Uptown Half Past, Chic. There we go. Now, we've got to open number 46. And we've got another blind bag. And we've got these little earrings. Pretty cute. So that's what we got in here. Some little earrings. Now, our next blind pack should be in which one were we on? I think we're on box number 47. Yep, box number 47. I'm getting very confused, but we're getting near the end. Let's open it up. So here's our blind bag. And we've got another little thing that says Downtown and Uptown. It's not much, but oh well. Now box number 48 is here, and 49 is underneath. So let's do 48 first. Here's our blind bag. And here's our doll. And we've got Prim. And we've got another blind bag. Let's open it up. Ooh. I appear to have lost one of the earrings, but there should be 2 of these little earrings. Pretty sure it's somewhere. I'll have to look for it in a minute. Okay, now we need to open box number 50. So here is box number 50. Still have to find that earring, but I will in a moment. Actually, I'm going to take a quick break, and I will be right back with part number 3. And we'll see you soon. Bye for now.